$98. So they must have a lot of upsells. So that would be your commission. This one here, the average commission is $85. So they've obviously got less percentage. And this is a mattress company. Alright guys, so on this one I'm showing you one called Share a Sale. And the reason I'm showing you all these different platforms is so you can get an idea. So a lot of people kind of think that affiliate marketing you can only do with like ClickBank and JVZoo and stuff like that, and Amazon, but you can actually do it with a lot of other things, guys. So this is shareasale.com, and there are lots of sites like this online. Like I said, you can just search in Google and find these. And this is actually really good. So let's just say you have a, for example, a Shopify store where you've built up a email list and they're just sitting there. You can actually promote other stores' products or other things like that. There's really heaps of cool, nifty stuff here as well. So if we just click on Grasshopper Group here, Puffy Mattress. So this one here is called the Grasshopper Group. We'll just click their website. No idea what this is. Get your business phone number. So this seems to be some sort of business thing. Anyway, you get $100 per sale. So if you can get one sale with these guys, you make $100, and they have a 120-day cookie. So that means that if that person goes to that site via your affiliate link and comes back within 120 days, you get a sale. Oh, sorry, they make a sale, you get a commission. It also tells you how much, so their audience is 89% mobile, so you can craft your landing page for mobile. And then here's all the stuff here and all of that cool stuff, right? Pretty cool. And then we have the Puffy Mattress, which is another one. Let's go to puffy.com. That's a really good domain name. Average sale is $1,000, guys. And you get a commission. Average commission $84. So the commission, oh sorry, I messed that up. So yeah, average commission here is $98. So they must have a lot of upsells. So that would be your commission. This one here, the average commission is $85. So they've obviously got less percentage. And this is a mattress company. So you can kind of see, like, this is really good. There's lots of different offers on here. Like, guys, there's so many. Let's have a look. Wisdom Health. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I just want to show you that you don't just have to promote ClickBank products. You don't just have to promote softwares. You don't just have to promote this and that. You can go and promote all of these things as well. Clothing stuff. Looks like it's probably actually, yeah, so 10% per sale. It's not a lot. Yeah, it's not a lot per sale, but you know, it's what it is. What it is. Jewelry, fashion. So we'll get rid of. Oh, so what's Wisdom Health? I'm just having a look at some, so you get an idea. So we get a average commission of $10. Dog DNA testing. All right, whatever that is. If you're in the pet niche or something, dog DNA testing. What's this one here? Just a 3D printed t-shirts, and that one is now down, not going anymore. So I'll just get rid of these, and I'll kind of show you some more stuff here. So, you know, we've got accessories, jewelry, stuff like that. We have art, music, photography. So what we'll be having here, creative live. I don't know what all of this stuff is, but you can check it out. There's lots of stuff here, guys. Lots and lots. Oh, here we go. This is a really cool one, guys. This is actually something I have friends promoting. This is called the Masterclass, and what this is you've probably seen it all over Facebook. It's a massive training course with Gordon Ramsay, heaps of celebrities, heaps of popular people, and you can actually promote this and you get an average commission of $33. So you can promote that to your list. Here it is here, masterclass.com. This is quite a large thing. So Stephen Curry does training. We have other people. Thomas Keller, Ron Howard, Alice Waters, Mark Jacobs, Gordon Ramsay teaches cooking, teaches fashion design. We have so many people here. And that's really actually quite, I just remembered about this actually. This is quite cool. So you can promote that, and all the information is here, terms and conditions, commission rates, default rate is you get 25%. 15-day cookie. So yeah, guys, really, really cool stuff. What else have we got? Canvases on demand. Heaps of cool stuff, guys. And we have auction services, whatever that is. Let's have a little check at that. We have Auction King, 10% per sale. Business. So guys, there's really no excuse when it comes to finding actual offers, because there's offers in literally every single niche on the planet. We have Inkhead, whatever that is, bags and bows, deluxe. Guys, there's literally every single niche. Careers and jobs, domain names. Oh, domain names is pretty cool. Education. So Namecheap, but we're gonna actually do that in another video. We'll do domains in another video. Fitness, guys, looks like there's lots of stuff in fitness. Heaps of stuff in fitness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What have we got? All sorts of stuff, guys. Like I said, I'm not gonna go. Got basketball rampage. So let's just say you have, I don't know, let's just say you have a list of sports fans, and actually, it's funny because I'm actually, oh sorry guys, I'm getting so many emails right now. I actually am in the sports niche, so this actually interests me. Actually, I might promote this to my list. So, average sale is $19, EPC. So EPC, guys, is earnings per click. I'm gonna have a video on all the abbreviations so you understand what everything means, okay? Pretty cool stuff. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just want to check this out real quick while we're here. And what is this? Basketball. Oh, sorry. Baseball. I read that wrong. Baseball rampage. So guys, you get a commission on all of this stuff here. It's so, it's amazing. Guys, I'm not joking. Like, this is the thing. People think that affiliate marketing you can only do with ClickBank and stuff, but it's not true. And Amazon, it's not true. If you go out there and start a blog about baseball, right? Baseball, start a blog, start a YouTube channel about baseball, you can go and promote these products and you get a commission. What's the commission? Around about an average of 20 bucks. All you need is 5 sales per day, that's 100 bucks around about. Right, and they've got 3 stores, so you get 9% per sale. A little bit low. You could probably find something a little bit better than that, but they've got incentives and things like that. But that's the thing, guys. Everyone thinks that you have to stick to the mainstream affiliate stuff. You don't. You do not, and I recommend you don't. I recommend you branch out. Obviously, you have to have the traffic. That's the most important part. But if you've got the traffic in these specific niches, there's nothing wrong with trying to promote this stuff here, okay, guys? It works. You know, they're here for a reason. See, like 3% sale, that's not very good. Maybe, so let's have a look at this, our 3% sale. They're here for a reason. Like, look at all these pages, guys. 228 results. These are here for a reason because they sell. People are making money selling these. The average commission is 8 bucks. That's a little bit low for me. But guys, we have so much stuff. We have web hosting. So I am going to do a separate video on web hosting. Maybe I will add this into it, but you don't really need to go through here for web hosting. But maybe we will, maybe we won't. All right, so you can find web hosting stuff here as well. But guys, this is the crazy thing. This is how incredible it is. You don't have to use the mainstream stuff. So if you go to reports, you're gonna have your activity details, your payment reports, weekly progress reports, everything like that, all right? And to get a link, just, so you should be able to, just go join program, guys. And it's gonna come up here, and you simply just tell them why you want to join the program and things like that, and I will have a video on how to structure your stuff when doing this, okay? Because even though there's a lot of stuff here, sometimes it's not easy to get into all of these places to promote their products. That is one of the downsides about places like this. However, I'll tell you how to craft your stuff, okay? And then you just go join program, and there's you can get links up here, but I wouldn't do that. There's tools, make a video, make a page, product showcase. I wouldn't mess with all that. All you need to know is product, join program, get inside the program, and start promoting these products. Okay guys, super easy. This is called shareasale.com, and you can promote products to promote in pretty much every single niche, even weddings, guys. The wedding niche, right? It's so, I'm sure you guys can think outside the box here, get creative, and think of ways to promote these products if you have the traffic, all right? So that's shareasale.com. I don't need to go on anymore. You can see everything. You can see all the offers and stuff like that, and I'll see you on the next video.